Hey guys, just giving you guys a little update. We got some red tomatoes in here, and I wanted to show you guys the sunflowers over here. But I'm gonna grab these tomatoes real quick, and I have really learned that this area here, using that ground fabric, it really done damage to the ground. I think it dries out a lot quicker, and it just don't look too good. All right, here we go. I'm trying to grab them before you know, the birds and everything else comes out here and tries to get them. But I'm just letting them go. Gotta water them again this afternoon. I know it's some grass growing, but hey, don't matter as long as I get my harvest out. All right, hold on guys, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back in the raised bed, and everything looking good. I got broccoli yesterday, and I had grabbed some onions, and they were so good. And I can't wait till I can grab a cabbage. Now, I wanted to show you guys. Are you ready for this? Hey girls. Y'all see how many is on here? And it's gonna have more. And there's some down here. Y'all, I have got to keep some of the seed from this. This is gorgeous. Off of one plant. Now, I'm gonna come back and show you on the other side. So hang on. Look guys, I got some of my flowers. I'm bringing in. Look at the bee. Let me go back to it, baby. And then there's this. I'm not sure. It's like a vine, like my peppers. I'm gonna put them bad boys in the shade. Look at this corn. This was some tassel. And you guys, wheat is growing. And look, there's a honeybee in there. See that? Wow. Now, let me show you guys over here. It's fixing to open. Don't worry, when it opens, I'll let you guys see. And we still got all these flowers. You guys, I love flowers. Look. This dries. It's like, I'm not sure if it's wheat or rice, but it's like brown hard, and there's seeds in it like this, and I think it's from the chicken feed. But that's my update guys. Love you.